Hello students. Today's topic is types of ecosystem. As we know, this earth is a different types of ecosystem. This nature is covered by different types of ecosystem. In this lecture we understand the ecosystem definition, measure four types of ecosystem: grassland ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Eco means, what do you mean by eco? Eco means life. An ecosystem is a biological environment consisting of all the living organisms or biotic components in a particular area and the non-living or abiotic components such as air, soil, water, sunlight with which the organism interact. So the everything in this nature interact with each other to help in the formation of this wonderful nature. So the study of environment. The environment is also interlinked with the different types of things. So the ecosystem made by two things, biotic factor and abiotic factors. Biotic factors are sunlight, temperature, precipitation, water or moisture, soil or chemical content. Abiotic contents are primary producers, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and detrivores. So we will understand these things in the coming slides. Types of ecosystem. Basically there are two types of ecosystem: natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem further classified into four types: forest, grassland, aquatic and desert. Artificial ecosystem are of three types: terrestrial, microbial and aquatic. Forest ecosystem. This forest ecosystem responsible for high rainfall. They maintain the humidity, precipitation of that particular area. Large number of organisms and flora available found in the forest ecosystem. Highly diverse population. They maintain the diversity of that particular area that help in the formation of biodiversity. Stability of ecosystem is very sensitive. Types of forest. There are different types of forest: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest and taiga. Features of forest ecosystem: forest canopy, forest floor and forest soil. These are the important things to maintain the forest diversity: forest canopy, forest floor and forest soil. Function of forest ecosystem. What is the importance of forest ecosystem for us? They help in the protection of water seat. They help in the regulation of atmosphere. Means they maintain the temperature of that particular area. They help in the control of soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The movement of soil from one place to another place with the help of different ways. Wind erosion also controlled by forest ecosystem. So this system is very, very important to maintain the ecosystem. That next is desert ecosystem, where the temperature remain high temperature, intense sunlight and low water. Flora and fauna are very poorly developed and scarce. Organisms are xeric, adaptive. What do you mean by xeric? Xeric means dry. The whole area is dry. The maximum rainfall, particular in desert ecosystem, is only 100 millimeter. So you can understand how much water is available. Scarcely populated, due to non-availability of different things, food, water. So their population is diverse, not particularly at a particular area. Types of desert. There are different types of desert: sand desert, stony desert, rock desert, plateau desert, mountain desert, cold desert. These are the types of desert. This is a picture of sand desert. You know what type of desert in Rajasthan? The name of this desert is Thar Desert. Rock desert, stony desert, plateau desert, mountain desert, cold desert. Features of desert ecosystem: rainfall, temperature, soil, light. Plants and animals are adapted to live in extremities. Function of desert ecosystem: solar energy resources, help in maintain the solar energy resources. Mineral resources, that desert ecosystem is a resource of different types of minerals. Grassland ecosystem, where the rainfall is marginal, but that is very important for cattle. Vegetation is dominated by grasses, unimproved wild plant communities, densely populated. Types of grassland ecosystem: tropical grassland, temperate grassland, and others. Features of grassland ecosystem: temperature, precipitation, humidity, topography, unadaptive plants and animals. Function of grassland ecosystem: grassland provide food for cattle. Grasslands are breeding areas for different types of insects, and they are habitat for human beings. Aquatic ecosystem: low temperature and sunlight, that is a characteristic of aquatic ecosystem. Soil and vegetation is submerged below the water. Flora and fauna had adapted for terrestrial as well as aquatic. Densely populated, because as you know, water is the basic requirement of the population. Means animal population as well as human population. Water is the basic requirement. So that area is densely populated. Types of aquatic ecosystem. There are different types of aquatic ecosystems: ocean, aquatic, lantic, and wetland. Features of aquatic ecosystem: light and temperature, current, chemistry, competitive organism. Function of aquatic ecosystem: they help in the recycle of nutrients, purify water, responsible for proper rainfall, attenuate floods, recharge groundwater. So you understand what is the importance of aquatic ecosystem. Thank you.